Personally, I think, look, throughout the trial, this lady showed no remorse whatsoever. No empathy to any one of my family members. She was laughing at us while we were very emotional throughout this year. Um, so me personally, I think I was looking at it more like a 50-year sentence, which is a bit laughable, I think, given what she's done to the family. So personally, I think 15 to 20 years should be fine for us. Yeah, and that's it.
And how's the family feeling now that this matter is finally reaching finality?
Wow, look, we over the moon, eh? My relationship with my daughter takes a lot of strength through this lady. But we are getting there. For us not coming to town anymore, this thing just took so much out of us. A lot of stress, a lot of sleepless nights. Yeah, the sufferings is ongoing. 17, I think it's almost 20 years later. I think the pain will still be there up until our dying day. I don't think this pain will ever go away.
And do you think you're ready to forgive her?
Personally, lady, I don't think forgiveness is in my vocabulary as in now. I show no remorse.
She's going to jail with a lie. She never admitted wrongdoing.
She never told my daughter the truth yet, so I don't think there's forgiveness from our side.